Hope you can hear it. Hope you can hear me too. Fitting dance.
I just joked the band director. I got a brand new saxophone. There is no time.
Nice. Pretty much dealt with that threat. A little bash. Bopped his head and he ran away like a little bitch. Nice. Medkit, exactly where I thought it was gonna be. Sorry for being silent for a long time. I don't even know if I'm even recording my voice right now. You never see it coming. You see, my mind is too fast for our eyes. Coming. You, I don't know the lyrics. I tried. Damn it. This is fine now. Hey, there we go. V1 himself.